We are done with the multiplication of integers. The next thing we have is division of integers. So here, let us consider two tables. Table 1 or table A, we have 25 divided by 5. Very simple. 25 divided by 5 is a number, if I multiply by 5, I get 25. That is 5. Next, 25 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1, that is the number itself. So this is 25. And this one, let us not forget, this is positive. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive. So what does it mean? A positive divided by positive giving us positive, positive divided by positive giving us positive. So this is now positive 1. The same 25 divided by, from 1 I'm moving downwards. Remember I'm skipping 4. If I skip 4 here, see here 4, then here must have negative 1. So here I should also skip from positive to negative, I get positive. So positive, positive. Negative will give me negative 25. The same, if I have positive 25 divided by negative 5, I still have negative 5. Remember, I'm going backwards. Why? I'm introducing a negative here to see if the pattern, there's a pattern formed here. 5, 25, negative 25, negative 5. 5, 25, negative 25, 5. 5, 25, negative 25, 5. So that is two things we can note from here. A positive integer divided by a positive integer, we are getting positive integer. What have I said? A positive integer divided by a positive integer, we get positive integer. Next thing, positive, this is positive 25, positive integer divided by negative integer, we get negative. Do you understand that? Repeat. Positive integer divided by negative integer, we get negative integer. Good. That is table A. We have noted two things. Next, come to table B. Table B. What do you have? Negative 20 divided by 5. A number, what is, so if you are asked negative 20 divided by 5, remember, we have done multiplication. So which number, if I multiply by 5, I get negative. So that number must be negative because it is only negative times positive is giving us negative. So that number must be negative. So that number must be negative. Then I take 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Wow! So I don't need to think that hard. I just need to look at the inverse. Inverse of multiplication is division. So if you have negative 20 divided by 5, this one is equal to negative 4. Meaning that a negative divided by positive, I have negative. Next, negative 20 divided by 1. What do you have? This is still negative. It is negative 20. So there's a pattern here. If I move downwards, what am I going to have? I'm going to have negative 20 divided by negative 1. Remember, I had negative 4 here, I had negative 20 here. So this is just small thinking. A number, if I divide, a number that if I multiply by negative 1 here, I get negative 20. That number must be positive. Remember, it is only positive multiplied by positive is giving us, positive multiplied by negative is giving us negative. So if I am given negative 20 divided by negative 1, and I'm asking myself, what will be the answer? I ask myself, which number, if I multiply by remember the inverse of division is multiplication. Which number should I multiply by 1, negative 1 here, to give me negative 20? That answer, is it positive or negative? Realize that the answer, that number must be positive. So this now will be positive 20. The same, negative 20 divided by negative 5. And negative divided by negative. I use the inverse. Remember, I've talked about multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is division. So here, I want a number here. If I multiply by negative, I get negative. Which sign should be that? That number should be positive. Remember, it is only positive multiplied by negative giving us negative. So then I take, the answer will be negative. So 20 divided by 5, that is 4. We have noted 4 things. Positive divided by positive, positive. Positive divided by negative, negative. Negative divided by positive, negative. Negative divided by negative, positive. As simple as that. Let us note that down here. Positive integer divided by positive integer. What do I have? This now will be positive integer. Very good. Are you following? Now, positive integer divided by negative integer. We have seen our answer is negative integer. Positive integer divided by negative integer, the answer is negative integer. So if we have negative integer divided by positive integer, negative integer divided by positive integer, what do I have? I have still negative integer. So negative integer divided by negative integer, positive integer, I have negative integer. Then the last one, negative integer divided by negative integer. So negative integer divided by negative integer, what should I have? I should have positive integer. Positive integer. Perfect. You just need to understand the opposite of multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. That is what you need to understand. So let us consider evaluate. A, we have 6 divided by negative 3. B, we have negative 35 divided by 5. C, negative 160 divided by negative 8. Then finally, D, we have 48 divided by negative 2. So, very simple. It's just applying whatever we have noted here. Positive divided by positive, positive. Positive divided by negative, negative. Negative divided by positive, still negative. Negative divided by negative, positive. So once you have all these and you have noted them in your book, then these problems won't scare you. You'll be solving them. So A, it is 6 divided by negative 3. So this is now positive divided by negative. You know the answer will be negative. Then if 6 divided by 3, that's 2. As simple as that. This is not rocket science. Next we have negative 35. Negative 35 divided by 5. Negative divided by positive. The answer is still negative. So this is now negative 7. C, what do you have? Negative 160. Negative 160 divided by negative 8. So we have negative 160 divided by negative 8. Negative divided by negative. Negative divided by negative, positive. So the answer will be positive. But 160 divided by 8, what do you have? That is 20. Very good. D, what do you have? 48 divided by negative 2. Can you now please write for me this answer down there in the comments?